Hi, Martin here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to get up and running with Canva. So let's get started. So first and foremost, what is Canva? Well, Canva is an online graphic design platform. It allows you to create a wide variety of documents, including things like YouTube thumbnails, infographics, posters, and much more. So to get started, go ahead and head to www.canva.com. From there, create yourself a free account. Once you have gone to the website and created yourself a free account, you'll end up on a page that looks like the one on screen. So this essentially is your home page for Canva, and you'll get things like what you might want to try. So I'll give some suggestions on different document types that you might want to try. And you can see there is a huge amount of different documents that you can try creating. You can also search for various templates. We'll do that in a moment. If we scroll further down our home screen, you'll have things like recent designs. So any projects that you've been working on will be listed here as well. So let's go ahead and create a new project. But one of the best features of Canva is the wide variety of templates available. So as opposed to having to start the design from scratch, we're going to pick one of the many templates available. So we can do that here, but let's go over to the left-hand side and click on the templates option. So from here, I could choose a wide variety of templates like presentations, social media, videos, print products, and then obviously more after that. So let's go ahead and pick an infographic. So I can click on infographics here to view the templates. What I can also do is head up to the top. I can search for infographic, and then what that will do is show me the wide variety of infographic templates that are available. So if I scroll through, you'll see that because of the number of templates that there are, you should be able to find something that will be suitable for you. So go ahead, pick a template, click on it, and then click on Customize this template. So what this will do is now open up the main Canva editing screen. So before we jump into the editing, let's take a look at the interface. So over here on the left-hand side are essentially all the different options that we have. So we have templates, elements for adding lines, shapes, graphics, uploads where you can upload your own images, videos, or audio, text where you can obviously add text, projects if you want to switch over to a different project, photos where you can choose some of the custom photographs, and then background as well. We won't worry about the last couple of options over here on the left-hand side for this video. So if we move over to the right, we then have essentially, once we've chosen our option, all of the sub-options will be contained within this window. So if we click on elements, we can then choose our specific element in this window. We can also search at the top as well. So then if we move over to the right-hand side again, this essentially now is our main window. This is where we're our document window, and this is where we're going to do all of our editing and creation of our document. So how do we go about editing and creating the document that you want? Well, the whole point of having the template is we are editing this template. So if you click on any element, you can change it. Okay, so if I click on some text, I can edit that text. Okay, nice and easy, nice and straightforward. So we can also go and add some text of our own if we wanted to. So if I click on add a subheading, I can then put my name in there. Okay, so you select your option here, click, and it will be added over there. Similar to clicking the text and editing that, you can also click on any of the images and edit them as well. So if I click on this image here, I can see all the different colors at the top. So if I click on one of them and then change the color, let's pick a pink here, you can see it will select those elements and it will be pink on there. So I can select a different color and edit the color from there. Same with any other, so we've got a shape here that I can go on and I can change the color of as well. So you can see it's really straightforward to edit any of the elements that have been added to these templates. So we know how to edit the text, we know how to add text, we know how to edit the images as well. So let's go over to elements and add a shape. So I'm going to add this kind of bordered square here. So I don't need to click and drag or anything like that. I simply just need to click and then that element will be added to my poster. From here I can use these icons at the corners and the sides, okay, to place it on my infographic. So I'm going to change the size to essentially make it look more like a border for my infographic. So we now know, again, how to edit text, how to add elements, edit some of the shapes. One thing to note, I've got my text here. It's a little bit boring. So how do we go about adding some text that's maybe a little bit more interesting? Well, let's go to text. And what we can do is check out the font combinations down here. So here, essentially, you get kind of a updated version of the old word art, and you get some very cool different styles of fonts that you can add to your poster. A quick side note, this is a good place to talk about this little crown icon in the corner. So you can see when I hover over it, it changes from a crown to saying Crown Pro. So essentially what this means is you need a Canva Pro account, so a paid account, in order to access any of the text or elements or images that have the crown icon in it. So we'll go ahead and just choose one of the free font combinations. So again, all I have to do is click and then I can just edit the text on there instead. So I'll get rid of this boring one here. I'll just put my name nice and big at the top. So my design might not be looking great at the moment, but hopefully what it has done is demonstrated the ease of using Canva and particularly using one of the built-in templates and editing that for whatever use you may have. So the final thing is once your document is complete, you're probably going to want to download it. So go head up to the right corner, click share, click on download, and then under file type you can select the file type that you're looking for. If you're unsure, just leave it on the PNG, which is the suggested option, and then click download, and then that will just simply be downloaded to your downloads folder and you can use it for whatever the purpose is. So there you have it. That's how you access and use Canva. It's an incredibly powerful graphic design tool. It's used by students, it's used by professionals, it's used by amateurs. It's a great tool to go out and learn and start using for your needs. So I hope this video has been useful. If it has, please like the video, comment below, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.